Are you helping?
No? Okay.
Go get the other dishes.
This is a small load.
Robbie, get that one.
What about this
Get
one?
the other one.
What about this one right here? Gotta do that one. That goes in your drawer. Good job. What about this one? Let that one go. Very good.
Excellent.
Excellent. Okay, one more. That one has water in it, so be careful. Oh, wait.
What?
Okay. Here, you know what you gotta do. You know what you gotta do. Come on. Dry it for Mommy. Come on.
Try it.
Gotta dry it for Mom. Here, this one. Dry it. It's not hot. I think he's confused.
Oh.
He's blowing his nose.
Oh.
Dry it out. Good.
Yay!
Dry it out and
Multitask. Yay, Robbie.
That was it.